So let's learn about use of medicine, and we will specifically learn about common forms of medicine used at home. So before we even learn about common medicines used at home, let us see why we use medicine. Earlier we said germs can make us sick, and we looked at the things which could have germs, and we said avoid dirty food, avoid dirty water, avoid dirty air, and dirty toilets. These dirty food, water, air, or toilets have germs, and these germs make us sick. So when we get sick, we are given medicine, and that is why we use medicine to get well. So let us look at types of medicines. We have different types of medicines. So we are going to look at a few. We have the liquid medicines, we have the solid medicines, powders, drops, and ointments. So those are the types of medicines that we learn today. So what are these liquid medicines? Liquid medicines, we take these medicines using a spoon or a cup. I know you have taken some, and you know you have ever taken a medicine using a spoon or a cup. You can see this is what I mean by a spoon. That medicine will be administered using a spoon, or you can administer using a cup. I know you have experienced this. Some of these medicines are injected into the body using syringes. So you can see from this image, we have a patient receiving their medicine, but they are using a syringe. This is a syringe. You can see it from here. That's a syringe. The patient is receiving their medicine. So these liquid medicines can be administered using syringes. We also have a nurse here who has a syringe. They are ready to administer the medicine to a patient. So let us now learn about solid medicines. So these medicines are swallowed with water. Solid medicines are swallowed with water. You have to use water to swallow them. Solid medicines have different shapes. They come in different shapes, and let us look at the shapes. We have some solid medicines that are oval in shape. You can see we have others that are round in shape, and we have the capsules. I believe you have seen them. So those are solid medicines. So we have other type of medicine that we said are powders. These medicines are mixed with water, then they are swallowed. You have to mix them with water, then you swallow them. For example, this is the powder that you're talking about. You have to add some water here so that you can swallow that medicine. Then we have other type of medicine that we said they are called drops. What are these drops? So these are medicine that are found in tubes or small bottles. They can be dropped in the eyes, in the ears, or mouth. So these medicines, they have to be dropped. So you can see this lady here. This lady is seriously dropping the medicine to her eyes. So that's what we mean by drops. So we have the last type of medicine that we said are called ointments. These are medicines that we rub on the skin. We rub them on the, we just rub. You see this lady here is rubbing this is the medicine, and she is applying the medicine. So she's rubbing the medicine on her skin. So here we have some points to note. Medicines are given by doctors in hospitals and health centers. So make sure any medicine that you take is administered by doctor. Then the last point to note is medicine can also be bought from the chemistry. Chemists, these are vendors or people in business selling medicine in the market.